Dito po kayo magpagawa kay Mang Benz. Mang Benz is the place to go.
What's up, mother, fathers, brothers, and sisters? This is Vince, and we have another makeover video for you. We got in trouble with the HOA doing this, so please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you're interested in what happened. Welcome to our front house makeover. First is the stone veneer. We started planning how high we're going to put the travertine or the stones. We decided to put it 3 feet high. Then we started to separate the bad ones from the good ones and started cutting the stones. Then we started to mix the tin set and install the stone.
This is how you should mix the cement. And the cement will mix by itself. Yan na po, palaman. Tingnan natin kung matibay ang palaman. Come here, like this. Oh. And then, put it aside.
Parang konti lang yan.
No, pang ano lang yan. Relax ka lang, hindi ka professional. Professional lang yan lang. Po, talagang po dito yan. Dapat, ano lang, medyo kailangan natin damihan.
We didn't finish it the first day, so we continue it the next day. Then I built the patio furniture. I don't have a video of it with the cushions. I'll record it next time and post it here. So like and subscribe.
This is another patio furniture building. You know what I'm saying? Alright. The instruction is kung hindi lang ikaw ay dahilan. Whoa!
Here's the before and after. Next is the landscaping. We decided to put cement under the rocks because the weeds kept popping up and it's hard to maintain. This project may be the hardest of this makeover because you need to remove the rocks, water the cement, wait for it to fully dry, and put the rocks back. We worked on this for about 4 days, around 3 to 4 hours a day. Plus, we made the mistake putting it on the lawn, so it made it harder to put it back and mess up our grass. We should have put it in the driveway to put it back easily.
As you can see, we started to work on removing the rocks.
Then, we added some soil to flatten it a little bit so there will be no stagnant water. Then, we started pouring the cement. Then we sprayed water on mist mode about 3 times every hour and let it dry for a day. Lastly, we break our backs. We put the rocks back. I forgot, we also cut the oak trees and trimmed the trees. Here are some clips. Goodbye, pollen. Here's the before and after of the landscape. Thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day. Shout out to all our friends that always like and share our videos. Love you guys. Peace.